Hi, my name is Bina Goykadosh, and I am a registered dietitian for the ACL Grant Virtual Smart Living Initiative at the New York City Department for the Aging. In this third video tutorial, we'll cover the steps that the dietitian will do on the morning of the cooking demo. Step 1 is to charge the devices. Your devices should be fully charged. If your laptop runs out of charge easily, have it plugged into the charger, and if necessary, use an extension cord to connect to the outlet. Step 2, organize the kitchen to remove clutter and ensure that the background and workspace are clean and clear. Step 3, prepare and set up the ingredients. Try to think of all of the steps that you can do in advance, which won't necessarily be something useful for participants to watch, so that you can do it ahead of time. For example, heating up water in a pot. Then measure and prepare all of the ingredients into individual bowls. You may need to peel, dice, or chop the ingredients. Then, when on camera, display how those ingredients are combined. Try to have all the ingredients and items within your reach and not behind you, so that you won't have to face your back to the audience. Use clear or glass bowls to improve visibility. For ingredients which require cooking, which will take time, have some cooked in advance. Step 4, set up devices containing cameras. For example, place the laptop on a laptop stand or a step stool. Adjust the positioning to ensure that the audience can get a better view of you and your kitchen. It would be best for both cameras to be facing you, because if one of the cameras is on your side and you need to lean over to get an ingredient, your arm might be blocking the camera partially. Step 5, disable sound notifications on your computer. You may need to go into your settings, general, and notifications and check off the type of notification you want. Step 6, prevent audio, echo, or feedback. Since you'll have 2 devices on, you need to make sure that there is no echo. On the second device, mute yourself, turn down the volume, and if the second device is a phone, you will also need to turn off the sound by clicking on the sound on the top right-hand corner of the Zoom screen. Step 7, set up perishable items right before the cooking demo begins. Step 8, log into the Zoom meeting early, about half an hour, to have some time to discuss anything important with your moderator and be ready to allow participants in from the waiting room before the actual start time of the demo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.